Hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today is race day. We are heading to another no prep stick shift race event. Yes, that is Power Wheels. And if you've been following along on the channel, you know we took the white car to a stick shift no prep race event a week ago, actually today. And I didn't realize that there was another one this weekend. So we decided to get the car loaded, go over some things, and take it down to the track again. This week's event is at Pacemakers Dragway in Mount Vernon, Ohio. Much of the same format as you've seen in the last video. We're gonna try to take as much footage as we can, so let's get these tires flipped and get it into the trailer. And add oil pressure. Exact same since I broke the motor in 60, cold. So the event we're about to hit is the Pacemakers No Prep. Right here is the flyer for it. So we're gonna get a lot of good footage. I know some of you guys don't relate to racing, but I want to bring a little bit something different to the channel. You know, I wanted to bring some no prep racing and, you know, try my hand at getting on down the track during a no prep event or whatever. So appreciate everybody who does watch. It's just a hobby of mine. I enjoy doing it. I just do a little bit something different with Fox bodies. Let's get on the road. We got about a 3-hour trip, and we'll get down there to Pacemakers Dragway. Power wheels here, dude. This is crazy. Oh wow. Wow. Alright, so we made it here to Pacemakers. Gonna have to it's kind of something a little bit different as you see him coming in. It's like a smaller track, I guess you could call it that, so I don't know. We're about to check it out. Have a little bit of fun.
Seen what he's running for a suspension on the rear.
Oh, this guy?
Got that sway bar.
Is he stick shift?
I don't know. I got a
nice.
91 coupe that I'm going to be taking out, but I want to free drive it.
Yeah.
5 speed.
This is
I'm not here. I'm just here to watch.
this is definitely a little bit different than I'm used to. It's all 8-mile.
It just opened up this year. It's been closed down for a few years.
Pacemaker has?
Yeah.
I've heard tale of them. My buddy Rob Meesh talks about going to Pacemakers a couple times, but that was like a couple years ago.
Yeah. And it closed down, and you know, these people here, that's right.
Jim, it's nice to meet you.
You too.
It's my son Mason.
How you doing, bud? Good.
Shit, this is gonna be crazy tonight, huh?
I got a long trip for you. 2.5 hours.
Yeah. That's not too bad. That's not terrible.
No.
We'll come make some passes.
I'm 30 minutes away. I live in Hanover.
So is it a decent track?
I'm hearing it's coming around.
Especially probably with no prep.
No prep tonight.
All right, so we ended up getting here, and Corey Binks ended up showing up. So Corey, gonna pour and stage me. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Got some pretty nice cars here. Got some hitters. I think this is Brandon's car. He just went 870s in that. It's pretty awesome. Good for him. If you guys don't know who Brandon is, he's the guy that held the Quaker. He did. What's happening, Casey?
Yeah.
It's good to see you. Here with Casey Lee. He's the guy with the Creative Coupe idea. He was in that video that we did. Looks like you got that thing ready to run.
We're gonna see. I don't know. I'm still working the new car bugs out of it, but
Well, I mean, have you ever been on this track?
not in this car. I've been here once, but not in this car.
It's sketch.
The top end was. It hooked great out of the hole, but the top
Like-
end was like no. I mean that wasn't terrible, but like I pulled fourth gear. So we'll see.
It's funny.
It's kind of the equalizer. It gives people like me a chance to actually win.
Get out of here. I'll just stay in third. Shift it forward, get hit a wall. Yeah, man. Do you know anybody else here?
Just my brother.
Just you? That last one was 2,800.
Was it really?
It's no prep shit, man.
Where was that one at?
2,800. Yo.
Where was that? Well, I did corrupt you.
Yes. I am definitely freaking. I'm not only corrupted with the no prep, but I'm corrupted with that stripper glitter.
Yeah.
This stuff right here. My precious. What's happening?
What's going on, dude?
Man, how are you guys doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Good. You went 870, huh? Send it. They said he couldn't.
Yeah.
Are you you're in small tire today? Gonna do a little street or small?
No, I'm gonna do street.
And what's the rules with street? I forget.
Just what 20-mile cruise and DOT tire.
Oh yeah, right, radio.
Yep.
Who we got for stick shift? Anything?
One right now. Me too.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go here and look at the track. I don't know. We'll go A to B. We go A to B on dirt, anyways. Well,
It's a lot nicer than Magnolia.
is it?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, that's straight as hell.
You're not gonna.
They're gonna bring in the. You're gonna stage, pre-stage like you normally would do, and you're not gonna pay attention to the tree past that. It's gonna be all.
So our two lines are already there.
I think it's. He's probably gonna sit on that whatchamacallit, and he's gonna probably light it from there.
Well, then I don't know what's really going on down there. I mean, you definitely.
Let's go. Let's take a walk. Is it?
Yeah, there's no wall. It's all grass. So if you get off the track, your tire fits in the grass. You're gonna be a third gear. Look at this lane. I mean, it's tight still. This lane's the neck. Yeah.
So I got to be. If I can get lane choice, it would be right lane.
That's the 330 right there. So we're 150 feet out, and it's there, man.
That'll change though. That'll put some heat on it though.
Only if they're spinning down here. They're gonna right lane definitely tighter mid track.
Yep. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you guys got to see this. That is Power Wheels. How are you doing? It's cool. So these guys actually race it. So which one's the fastest?
Hopefully that black one on the end.
Is that one? Black one. Oh, over here? Is this the one that was pulling wheelies in the picture?
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy. That's, this is awesome. Make sure I get this on my channel here. Never Lift Central Ohio Power Wheels Drag Racing. Yes. Yes. This is what I should have had you in, son. I'm sorry. New track, so a little nervous. Not really. Track looks straight, looks clean. Put a little glue on there, get a little rubber down this, down the lanes. I think it'll be all right. Have some fun. But, we'll get up here and see how many we got stick shift. How we doing? How we doing? That's cool.
Street, small tires, stick shift, and hard tires. As soon as we're done with this, the street cars are going to come together. They're going to do their cruise. While they're gone, we're going to get small tire up here, and we're going to run small tire first. One order will be small tire, then street, and then stick shift, and then hard tire. We'll remain that way all night. You'll stage with the tree. That's all you're going to do with the tree. It's going to go green as soon as we start the stage. Chris will then go back with the flashlight, and we'll go off the flashlight. We will not show time, you won't get a time slap, but the timing system will determine our winner. If you cross, you lose. If you jump, you lose. Yeah, make sure your back tires are in the marked box. One burnout only. That means if your tires start spinning, that's burnout.
right, guys, so we ended up winning the round. Not the best pass, went A to B. Unfortunately for the gasser, he ended up breaking a Heim joint on his ladder bar or something like that. So unfortunately, he wasn't able to make a pass. We ended up having a couple guys break their cars on the line, and we just went right into the finals against Casey Lee, my buddy, who with the white creative coupe that he created years ago. So here's the footage from that, and we'll talk after. All right, guys, so we ended up winning the race. We were able to go A to B. Unfortunately for him, he ended up chewing up one of his gears in his axle, so he couldn't make a pass to A to B either. We didn't make our best pass either, so we're still getting used to the whole stick shift, no prep stuff. We're having a great time. We're having a blast. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for the video. Big shout to Pacemakers, the drag strip. I had a great time there. Big shout to, Strip of Glitter for putting on the event and the staff that attended it. And also to all the racers who showed up and competed. I had a great time. Congrats to the small tire winner, hard tire winner, and the street assassin winner too. So you guys enjoy this sort of content. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe below. Give me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Check out that join button, as the channel has its own perks. But outside of that, guys, I just appreciate you watching. We're going to bring some more content like this to the channel. If you guys enjoy this sort of stuff, let me know. I'll see you soon this week in the next video.